see what else I want to put in here before I bind the pages in. So, what else would we like to have in your book? Here's a neat thing. This is pretty cool. And how would we like you to go in there? That looks pretty neat right there. Now what do we want to do with you? Shall we make you a flip out? Ooh, that's pretty. It already has a bend there. So if we just fold this in, like so, be very gentle, like so. Now that's right in the middle. So, okay, before I put anything else in this, what I'm going to do is figure out where the center spine area is going to be. And because these pages are taller than these, I'm just going to take this center page and sort of crease it, but not really, just to get the center. And then I'm just going to take my crocodile on the little setting, and I'm going to set the little depth gauge all the way back to 1 inch. And then I'm just going to plop it in there, make my hole. Same thing on the other side. Put all 3 big pages together. Put this roughly in the center of it. And then I'm just going to put a pencil mark. I'm just doing a visual center. And now I can take all of my papers that are the same size and just stack them. You can use a hole punch. You can use an awl. If you have the longer crocodile, you can use that. You can use a pokey tool and just poke them, which is what I'm opting to do. Like so. And then, I don't know why I put that back. I like to poke from both directions. Sometimes it helps with the hole on the back side because it has that where it popped out. Now for the ones in the center, I am actually going to put eyelets in as reinforcement. Just as a precaution. And I'm going to use the pink ones because they match. now you'll have a guideline of where your center is for each page. Okay, and I'm just marking because I really like the cute little top pocket aspect of this, but I don't want it to be able to disappear, so I'm just holding it where I want it, flip it over, and basically mark it no lower than that for my glue. And then this one will be on all three sides. And this is one of their ephemera pieces in the journal kit. And I've double-sided the envelope. And there's a little card that I've also double-sided. I'm just going to put that in there. And that's going to tuck in there. And cute little journal card. And I'm just going to put that right there. Make sure no glue hits it. And then I'm just going to let that dry completely. And I'm going to leave this so that somebody can decorate it themselves, however they choose. I might put a little piece of lace on here somewhere though. That might be pretty. A little wax seal over top. I have a fleur-de-lis and some wax stuff melting. And I'm just going to put it directly on. Okay, and metallic gold pen just to go over the design so you can see it a bit better. And I think it makes a neat contrast. There. That's pretty cool. And since we made it over the holes, just going to flip it over and poke them through. Now you'll notice, because I did it directly on there, you can see through where it heated up and adhered to the paper. I do not mind that. If you do mind that, then just do it separately on, if you have an old plate. Works really well. Put a tiny drop of lotion on it and smear it around, and then it will come right off. And I'm not going to do a whole lot of things on here. Like I said, I want someone to get it and be able to use it for themselves. So let's see. I think these guys are gals are really neat. maybe let's cut one out. Cut this lady out. I think she's pretty cool. And I think I want this really cool title. So let's see what we can do with her. Maybe on that side so that when you flip it over, there's something really cool of interest there. Maybe something like that. That's kind of neat, like she's peeking out from behind a veil or something. Okay, that looks pretty cool. And mysteriously neat-like. Okay, now this one is all dry, so we can fold it. And let's take a big sheet and mark the holes. And I got just below the trim there. And now that's a cute little pocket for some of these little things. There. Okay, I'm going to put that guy there. And let's see what other cool goodies we have here. I just picked out a few things. Here's a neat book page. Oh, it's a double one too. That's pretty cool. There's this one. And some handwriting. Maybe a strip or something on here would be pretty. Maybe this little corner piece of its flower, that would be cute. There.
I think that looks pretty cool.
Well, I was flipping through to see if there was any dead or empty space, and for some reason there's nothing on this side. Over here. So I'll have to figure something out to put with these guys. Well, I actually think I'm going to stop there for this one because I believe I made it a little too long already. So we will come back next time and see what we can do on some of the other pages. Thank you for watching, and thanks for subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, all that happy jazz. And like I said, please check out the shop, moonfirestudios.shop, see what's new. And we also have a blog on there so you can see what's upcoming. I'm trying to keep it up to date. And yeah, so I will see everyone next time. Thank you. Bye.